Hey guys, Jody. Hey, sitting here on the NASCAR rain delay for Texas. It's not really raining, but they got like a fog, so they're not running. So I decided I was going to tear down my A stamp um, RC-10, and this thing is definitely got a lot of glue residue and just a sticker on the back of it needs to come off and just whatever. But everything looks to be fairly decent. The gearbox seems pretty smooth. Shocks seem good. I'm gonna tear all that stuff down here in a little bit. Already got the nose piece torn off and cleaned up. I gotta take it to work and put it in the vise and get a little bit of a bow out of there, and then the two down tubes that go across there, they're bent, so I'll put them in the vise too and straighten them out. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun build. Got the all the front suspension parts. They're in good shape, just need cleaned up. Getting rid of the stock speed control setup. That's going to be gone. Convert that over. In fact, actually, I got a came with this. It's a Futaba electronic speed control. I'm gonna see if it works. If it works, I'll go ahead and put it back in. Might as well use it if I got it. Yeah, just a quick update on one of my RC-10s. I got two different ones. Got that one, and then I got this one that is basically going to be the oval track street stock car, but I haven't tore into this one yet. This one actually runs pretty good and had a little bit of running time with it, but yeah, I'll go through it and see what's up. I got the Fast Eddie bearing kit, so I'll go through and replace all the bearings and everything. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update on it. Like I said, just sitting here waiting for the NASCAR race to get going again, and we'll keep updating as I get her back together and cleaned up. Thanks, guys. Hope you're all doing good.